My name is Miranda King, and I have the balls to do the cinnamon challenge. Okay. Do I have the balls? It's all blowing away. It's blowing away. Should I do it right now?
Do it.
I'm nervous. I don't know what's going to happen. Okay. I have to put it all in my mouth at the same time?
Yeah.
At one time?
Yes.
All this. And I want you to say, look at cinnamon. Okay. Don't look at me. My mom's looking at me. Wait. It's blowing away.
Okay, go.
I'm going to be so sick. I'm going to be so sick. I don't have the balls to do this.
It's hilarious.
Oh, it's in my teeth. That was the grossest thing that ever happened to me.
Well, wait till you look in a mirror. Your teeth.
I'm Miranda King, and I failed the cinnamon challenge.